Good afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We have temperature today of about 63. About 63. But we have sunshine. Had sunshine earlier. So we're coming out today and we're doing some videos. This is hive number 632 in the nursery. We're going to check and see how they're doing today. Last time we was in here was on the 11th of this month. We've been having 29 and 30 degree weather here the last couple of nights. Last night it was in the 20s. Night before that it was in the 30s. We have bees on there. Get the growth back in the house. Say they're in the house enough. Okay, now y'all get down. Come on. They're telling me it's getting cold again. We may not even go into this one very much, but I think we probably will. Take your feeder off. Find out where the queen is at. See where the video is at. There we go. This is a little nuke number 04 over there with the blue queen. It's one of her children and her grandchildren. Okay, this one here has some bees on it, and it has their festooning. They have pine straw that they're using for rebar. They're doing good. I'm not even going to take them out. I'm going to put them back in there. Hopefully the queen is up here. This one here has some honey, some nectar, kind of hard to see. This one here has the same thing. No bugs on the track. And that's what they're doing. See, it's got a pretty good bit of bees in it. This one here has a yellow queen on it. And eggs. I want to see the yellow queen. There she is right there. We're going to put her in. Keep Mama happy. And we're going to feed her, so we don't need to go in the bottom box. Back in there. This one here has some brood. No, it don't. It has some honey. It has some nectar. And it has some pollen. I saw one big old beetle. that big old beetle. Nope. That's them. Now I would have liked to seen her have more room to lay in. This one has some honey, some pollen, nectar. So they're doing okay. But we're going to go on to the bottom and see if we can find No, we're not. We're going to leave them like they are. For right now. Cold weather, they don't lay very much anyway, but they do lay. And it's not cold yet, so we got cold weather, and that's why the queen is up in the top. Okay, we're gonna get get this out of the way. Get that out of the way. We need a smaller shim. There we go. We need a smaller feeding ring. Okay, so we take our paper towels. Can y'all see? But y'all see the other ones too. Yeah. Take our paper towels here. If y'all been watching the videos, you even know what I'm gonna do next. And this will be the last one, people. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow, if the weather is right, and I'm feeling good. I got out here the other day and I almost thought I had a cold yesterday. Y'all know what the bees will do with the sugar and how they're going to do with it, and what it does, how good it does with wet weather. And tomorrow I'll go, maybe today, get some more sugar. I'm going to give them a little bit up here. Y'all see what we're doing? If you have any questions, just ask me. Just ask me. It doesn't have to be about this. It could be about anything. Maybe you've got something going on in your hive that you're having a situation with, and I may be able to help. Maybe not, but it might. But y'all take care of yourselves. Subscribe, share, talk to other people, give us a comment. Be happy and have a good weekend. Y'all take care of yourselves. Bye. There's the bees on the bottom. Y'all can tell my camera's on the hill, right? Y'all have a great one.